How are you? Today we'll solve exam in this month, March, this year 2024. Look at with me about question number 1. Shows the correct answer. Letter is solution set of the equation x power 2 plus 25 equal 0 in R. It will be null set 5 because we can't factorizing this. We have it number power 2 and add 25 to the result will be 0. It's impossible. Then solution set here it will be null set 5. Question number 2. Solution set in R of the equation x minus 1 whole power 2 equal 0 equal what? We can solve the example by put square root to left hand side, right hand side to find the value of x. Or you can write x power 2, x minus 1 power 2 to be x minus 1 protected by x minus 1 equals 0. Then the value of x here it will be 1. We have two solutions. You can find the square root about first left hand side. Square root about x minus 1 or power 2 it will be x minus 1. X minus 1 equal 0. Okay, you can write here x minus 1 equals 0 and move negative 1 to left hand side, right hand side. Then the value of x it will be 1. Then the solution set here it will be 1. Choose letter D. Question letter C. If a plus b equal 3 and x minus y was 5, then you want to find the value of a product by x minus y product its difference, or we have subtract here again but b product by the difference between y and x. We can solve the example by write a common factor between them, but we have y minus x and x minus y. You can replace y minus x and write negative outside a common factor between two terms. You can write a product by x minus y plus b product by x minus y, because we get negative height common factor between two terms here, and negative times negative equal positive. We have positive x, negative times negative equal positive, and negative times positive equal negative. And then you can write x minus y height common factor between two terms. Then the remainder here will be a and the remainder here b. The product between them equal what? He give us a plus b equals 3 and x minus y was 5. The product between 3 and 5 it will be 15. Then the result here it will be 15. Okay, it's the result about this example. The result will be 15. Choose letter B. Question letter A. Factorize each of the following. Letter A. 81x power 4 plus 4z power 4. We can solve the example by add the middle term and subtract. Add and subtract middle term. What about middle term? The middle term here will be positive or negative. 2 square root about first 81x power 4 product by 4z by 4. Right, positive or negative 2 product by square root of 81 it will be 9, and x power 4 it will be x power 2 product by square root of 4 it will be 2, z power 4 it will be z power 2, and the result will be positive or negative. 2 times 9 times 2 it will be 36 x power 2 z power 2. And we can solve the example by add and subtract this term from this expression. Okay, you can write 81x power 4 this term and write plus 36x power 2 z power 2, and then write 4z power 4 subtract by 36x power 2 z power 2. Okay, and then we can write this expression. Square root about first will be 9x power 2. The square root about third here it will be 2 z power 2, and write the sign behind it positive and write power 2 out, and write negative 36 it will be 6xz all power 2. And then you can complete this expression by factorizing the difference between first expression power 2 and second expression power 2. Right here 9 x power 2 plus 2z power 2, and write again 9x power 2 plus 2z power 2. Write subtract 6xz and plus 6xz. It's the last result about this example. Next question, letter B. Factorize xy minus 5x plus 25 subtract by 5y. We can write x height factor between two terms here. The result will be y minus 5. And here write 5 height factor between two expression. Right, plus 5. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Subtract by 5y divided by 5. It will be y. And we can write negative outside height factor between two terms here. Write x product by y minus 5. Negative 5 product by y minus 5. Write height factor between them. And then we have similar to expression. You can write y minus 5 height factor between two expression and write x subtract by 5. The remainder here and the remainder. It's the result is the simplest form. Next question. Choose the correct answer. Letter A. Square whose diagonal length 12 centimeter and its area will be what? Okay. We know the area of square, it will be half times diagonal square, half diagonal square. Diagonal, we know that diagonal is line segment joined between two opposite angles. Then the area will be half product by diagonals power 2. Diagonals here was 12. Then 12 power 2, it will be 144. Then we can write half of 144. 14 divided by 2 equals 7 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and the result will be 72 square centimeter. Question letter B. The rhombus whose diagonals length 6 centimeter and 10 centimeters in its area. The area of a rhombus equal half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. We know the area of rhombus half product by diagonal 1 product by diagonal 2. Right, half product by the first diagonal he gave us in the example here 6 and second was 10. It will be 30 square centimeter. It was question letter B. Okay, choose letter B. Next question, letter C. The area of trapezium is 100 square centimeter. We have trapezium. He gave us the area was 100 square centimeter, and the height, this height here was 5 centimeter, and the length of its middle base, length of this middle base, the middle base, the length was what? You want to find the length of middle base. Okay, we know the area of rhombus equal middle base product by height. It's the rule. The area of rhombus will be the length of middle base product by the height. He give us the area was 100, and the middle base, we want to find the middle base product by the height. Height was 5, then the middle base will be 100 divided by 5 equal 20. Then the middle base will be 20 centimeter. Choose letter A. Okay, understood. Next question here down. In the opposite figure we have triangle, and you want to prove that DE parallel to BC. Okay, we have here triangle. This triangle A, look at with me, ABC, and we have DE, this line segment, and here line segment, and you want to prove that DE parallel to BC. Give us the area of triangle APE. APE, this triangle equal in the area ABE, this triangle equal area ECD. We can solve this example by cancel the area of triangle EDE. Okay, such that to solve the example such that area of triangle ABE equivalent area of triangle ADC. We can subtract, cancel the area of ADE from left hand side to right hand side. Then area of triangle ABE subtracted by area of triangle ADE. Cancel this triangle from left hand side to right hand side. Area of triangle ADC subtracted by area of triangle ADE. Then the area of triangle DBE, area of triangle DBE equal area of triangle DCE. And then two triangles here are drawing in the same base, drawing at the same base ED and in the same side, at the same side. Then the two vertices C and B lies in the line segment parallel to the base. Then CP will parallel to E